Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful Bistro layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Bistro layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It's a really highly visual layout pack that you can use for many kind of websites, especially the ones that are food and drinks oriented. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you have all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Bistro layout pack. And once you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, and these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And over here you can discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually installing them on your WordPress website first. So say for instance you really like this landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Then you get three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to choose one of the layouts by clicking on the purple button over here that says Browse Layouts. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Bistro layout pack. And if you click on it, you'll find all of the different layouts again. So select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying the layout and make your website ready to go live. So of course you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout your entire page design in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change the font that's used. Over here you can go to the Design tab, go to the heading text settings. Over here we have the font that's being used. You can right click, click on Find and Replace, and we'll change this font throughout this entire page with another font of our choice. And we'll also tick off the box that says Replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font, to make sure that all of the modules and all of the text is covered. And then we'll click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to change throughout your entire page design. And you can basically do that for each and every option within each and every element. So go ahead and play around with these options and with this layout pack and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.